More than 800 killed, more than 1,500 wounded in active shooter incidents since the year 2000. In 2018 alone, there were more than 300 mass shootings reported. Active shooter incidents continue to pose a major security threat to schools, businesses, and gathering places. When these threats occur, Mobile Guard's dual-use security products are at the ready, providing immediately available protection from intruders. Both the versatile Mobile Guard ballistic panel system and Barricade Pro offer outstanding shelter-in-place ballistic protection during active shooter incidents and lockdowns. And with Whiteboard surfaces, they can be used every day and blend into the environment. With the Mobile Guard ballistic panel system, a shelter-in-place solution is easily configured for any classroom, reception area, library, cafeteria, or any other gathering space. Select any number of panels of the same or different heights and easily connect them via hinges that leave no gaps between panels. An optional bracket secures one panel to a wall, and a 15.5-inch panel adds to the flexibility of the Mobile Guard system. Panels are available with lockable casters or stationary legs. When needs or security plans change, it's easy to reconfigure Mobile Guard panels, move them, or add more. Barricade Pro will enhance lockdown procedures to protect room occupants. It completely covers a standard doorway down to 0.6 of an inch from the floor. Intruders have no line of sight and can't reach over it or under it. Barricade Pro rolls into place in less than 20 seconds. Simply lock its 4 heavy-duty casters and the room is secure. Its armor plating overlaps at side panels and all edges. The top plate and edges are covered in 14-gauge steel. With its casters locked and a top wall bracket in place, an intruder can't get past Barricade Pro or tip it over. Mobile Guard and Barricade Pro provide reliable security without the need for costly and disruptive building renovations. Both the Mobile Guard ballistic panel system and Barricade Pro have 1/4-inch steel armor designed to stop multiple rounds from high-caliber rifles. In independent testing, both products met the Level 3 bullet stopping criteria of the National Institute of Justice. Security and school representatives agree that the Mobile Guard ballistic panel system and Barricade Pro can be a highly valuable part of an overall security plan.